want to cook healthy meals and struggling because you juggle so much in life and feel like you have no time. My name is Sue, a mother of 3 children who has found ways to cook simple, nutritious meals for my family. This recipe of fried rice with shrimp, carrots and peas can be one of your go-to simple dinner recipes. Use a few ingredients, some leftover rice, 1 cup of peas, some chopped carrots, 2 eggs, chopped garlics and sesame seeds. Use this simple step to stir-fry all the ingredients together. There you go, it's done in minutes. If you have found this video and would like to see similar content, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Share this video to your friends. Enjoy, bye-bye.